Okay, so now we are going to study a very important concept, which is decision making in Python. In more technical terms, this is also called as program flow control in Python. But both are one and the same. So in this concept, we are going to see how we can make our Python to make decisions for us. And what is the way to write the code for that? So let us first see what we have done till now. So for each program that we have done till now, we have taken a Python file and we have written our code sequentially. And this we have called as our Python code. So the important thing to note here is that we wanted our code to get executed line by line, and that too in the sequence in which we have written that code. So in short, all lines were executed and that too in sequence. So our computer too behaved in that way, and it took each instruction one by one and it executed that instruction. So our computer had executed the whole code, that too in sequence, without missing out on any line. So let us just assume our code or our program is this particular road, and this bicycle rider adds our computer, or being more specific, our Python IDE, which is executing the code. So as we said, the road is program and our rider is Python. So as we can observe, the rider is spanning the road in straight line, which symbolizes Python is executing the code in straight line. So as you know, the roads are never always straight. So there are times when you are supposed to choose between the roads. Or in other words, you have to decide upon which path should be chosen while going ahead. So as we can observe here, the straight road has now ended, and now we are upon choosing between the two roads ahead. So let us just assume that at the end of our road number 1, we have a bank that our rider can go to. And at the end of other road, let us just assume that it has our rider's friend's house, where he always go when he has free time. Let us just call it as road number 2. But now what to do? He cannot go at both the locations at the same time. Okay, so he will have to choose between the two roads. He can either choose road number 1, which will take him to bank. Otherwise, he will choose road number 2 to his friend's house. So now he has to take a decision here. So as generally bank stuffs are more important, he will try to remember if he has anything to do in the bank. If yes, he will choose road number 1, and if not, then he will choose road number 2. Okay, so let us just write it over there that if our rider has any work off bank, we are going to check. He is going to decide if he has any work in bank, then only he is going to take that road number 1, which is going to take him to the bank. But then remember the most important thing, that then he will not be able to go to his friend's house if he chooses the bank. But suppose that he doesn't have anything to do in the bank, or he doesn't have any work in the bank, else he will choose to go, he will prefer to go to his friend's house. Okay, so that is why I have written else on the road number 2. Okay, and the road number 2 indicates his friend's house. But the most important thing to understand here is that if he chooses to go to bank, he will not be able to go to his friend's house, and if he chooses to go to his friend's house, he will not be able to go to his bank. Now, in terms of our Python and our program, there are going to be two codes, code number 1 and code number 2, out of which only single code will be executed and the other code will not be executed. And which code is to be executed, that will be completely decided upon the condition that we are going to set. And in this road analogy, the condition that we had set was that work of bank. So the checking which was done by the rider, whether he has any work in the bank, this is nothing but the condition that we have checked. An important thing is that always remember, the condition will always answer in terms of yes or no, or true or false. So the condition will be either true or false, and accordingly the road or the code will be selected. So this simple decision making in Python programming is done using if statement. So how to use it? First, write if keyword, give one space, then write the condition that you want to check for, and then give one colon. Okay, so this is the way you should write the condition. Then after that, which code should be executed if the condition is true, that should be written right below this. There can be as many lines as you want, but importantly, all the lines should be indented. Indentation means there is some space on their left hand side. According to paper guide, 4 spaces should be there. And after you are done, remove the indentation and write else part. Else means when the condition is not true, what is to be done. So write else and put colon and press enter after the colon and write the code that should be executed if the condition is false. Again, carefully observe the indentation again, like in the case of if, which again indicates which block of code comes under else. So generally 4 spaces on the left hand side are there. So which code should be executed if the condition is true? Let us just call it as code block 1. So this code will be executed only when the condition is true. Whereas when the condition is false, the code written below else indented should be executed. We are going to call it as code block 2. Let us just put our whole syntax in bracket. So this is the syntax that we are going to use for decision making in Python. And don't ever forget the most important thing that I have told you, this, which is the one I am showing right now with the arrow, which we are calling it as indentation. Okay. So in the simple terms, indentation are the spaces before the lines of code that tells the computer or Python which code comes under if and how much code comes under else part. So never ever forget the use of indentation. But this was all to choose between 2 destinations only. So if this or that. So what if I have many choices that I want to choose one choice from? So we are going to see that in the next theoretical video. I'll